Adriana, and this is Cooking with Adriana. Hi everyone, and welcome back. Happy New Year to all. Hope you are all doing well. I am so glad to have you join me today on Cooking with Adriana. We are still in cool weather, and what better way to stay warm than with a bowl of homemade soup. On today's show, we will be making slow cooker potato soup. This is great for lunch with your favorite sandwich or as your first course with dinner. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 6 slices of cooked bacon, chopped or crumbled, 2 pounds of russet potatoes peeled and cubed, 3 celery stalks sliced, 1 large leek cleaned and chopped, 3 garlic cloves finely chopped, 4 cups of chicken stock, 6 sprigs of thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, and 3/4 cup of sour cream. Additionally, you can use the leftover sour cream, the reserved bacon, shredded cheddar cheese, and/or chives for garnish. As always, for our younger chefs trying out this recipe, adult supervision is required. All right, let's begin. Turn on the crock pot to high or have an adult turn it on for you. Cook the bacon in a skillet 6 to 8 minutes or in the oven at 400 degrees about 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Remove the bacon and place it on a paper towel lined plate. Reserve 2 pieces for garnish. Crumble the remaining 4 pieces. Now we're going to peel the potatoes and cut them in cubes. Always practice kitchen safety when handling sharp objects. Next, we are going to remove 3 garlic cloves, peel them and finely chop them. Let's grab the 3 celery stalks and chop them up. Lastly, we will need to clean the leek and chop it up as well. Once we are done with the prepping, we are going to gather all of the ingredients. Add the crumbled bacon, potatoes, celery, leek, garlic, stock, salt, pepper, and thyme sprigs in the base of a 6 to 8 quart slow cooker crock pot. Put the lid on the slow cooker and cook on high for 4 hours or low for 6 to 8 hours until the potatoes are tender when pierced with a fork. Remove and discard the thyme sprigs. Using an immersion blender or a masher, blend or mash soup to a semi-smooth consistency, leaving small chunks of potato and vegetables. Stir in the sour cream. Add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of water to thin the soup out to your desired consistency. Serve your delicious soup in bowls. Garnish with some of the remaining bacon and or sour cream, shredded cheese, and chives over the top. And there you have it, folks, slow cooker potato soup. Okay, let's grab a spoon and dig in. Super delicious. Such a yummy meal for a chilly day. Thank you for joining me again on Cooking with Adriana. Continue to follow us on our city's YouTube channel and social media outlets to be notified of more upcoming cooking adventures. Until next time, stay connected, stay active, and stay engaged.